that we're able to really determine not that they exist just because it's an exercise, an entity need to be there, into making sure that they are able to provide the services for which they exist to give, which is that of clean drinking water. Honorable Speaker, as I conclude, I would like to also congratulate our brother Senator Eddy for this new appointment of, Minority Whip. His predecessor has done a fantastic job, in the House. As a member of this House, contributed immensely to the debates in this House, as well as also coordination of issues that affect the Senate of the Republic of Kenya, impartially, not as minority or majority, but objectively, wherever it was so required. Honorable Speaker, we all hold positions we hold in transient, and it is just nothing but a process. He should take heart. He has earned our respect, and my brother Senator Eddy, you have a big shoe to fill, and hopefully the role of minority whip or majority whip is a role that is extremely demanding for the functioning of the Senate. I hope and pray that you understand what it calls for, and you'll do the best that is required for the House to function. Mr. Speaker, thank you.
Senator Mwenyehaji.
Asante Mheshimiwa Spika kunipa fursa hii kuchangia taarifa, maombi ya taarifa yaliyoletwa bungeni na Seneta wa Taita, Seneta Mwaruma. Mheshimiwa Spika, ni masikitiko kwamba mwenda zake John Kilage Joshua mwenye umri wa miaka 24 alipoteza maisha yake kupitia kwa